1, 2, 3, come on!
Professional thumbnail, go to Pixel Lab. Open Pixel Lab. Select the image for your thumbnail background. Select a image size and go to custom and switch the YouTube thumbnail. And then switch you want that big, small. Then adjust the image to make a thumbnail background. This is your background, and then select and adjust that. Go to layer and lock them. Give a tag that I am writing how to. In the tag, give a professional font, style and some colors which you want. Giving another tag and I am writing make. And same process is that professional font, colors, stroke you want to can easily do it. Professional tags, I am giving gradient colors. You can also use colors. And another tag is my thumbnail. And this tag give a background color. I am giving yellow. You can also give anything. Adjust the tag which you have done. for editors. So please share this in your WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, and etc. with your family, friends, and family friends. Professional looking thumbnail is ready. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Then go on, save as image. This the arrow, save as image, and keep it into this clip to gallery, easily safe in your mobile.
It's caught in the crossfire.